Hi, this is Roland. Welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to create Xcode project, and we're going to use Xcode that we downloaded in the previous lecture. So when you launch Xcode, you're going to see this menu and you will need to tap on create new Xcode project. There you would need to pick iOS. It's usually selected by default, and then you would need to pick app, since we're going to be creating iOS apps in this course. And then you press next, and here we can say, for example, or like lecture 2 app. And here I'm just going to give a random name. You can call it any way you want, because the goal is just to show you how to create a project. If you have a team, you will pick a team, and the organization can be your name. In this case, I just put my name. And the interface here, I have SwiftUI, but you can pick Storyboard because that's what we're going to learn first. We're going to learn about storyboards. However, in this course, down in the lectures, you're going to see that we're also learn about SwiftUI, which is also a new modern way. Storyboards are still popular in many companies that I worked for, and a lot of companies are still experimenting with SwiftUI, but they're not quite ready yet to migrate to SwiftUI. So it's good to know storyboards because you will be asked about it when you interview with a lot of companies. So that's why I will teach you storyboards, and then I will teach you SwiftUI. And the language is Swift, because we're not going to be doing Objective-C. In my career, I've done a lot of Objective-C as well. A lot of the apps that created like before Swift were still there. A lot of companies have migrated to Swift, and I think it's a great idea to migrate to Swift. So that's why I'll be teaching you Swift. However, if there's an interest among you to do Objective-C, please let me know, and I can add sections also about Objective-C. In this case, we don't need the core data because we're not going to be storing persistency in this lecture. However, in the future ones, I would love to teach you core data as well. So this is going to be basically the persistence layer, how you save data on the app. And that's pretty much it. So for now, we just have the name of the app. You don't need a team. Your organization is by default your name. And the interface will be storyboard because we're going to be creating a storyboard. And the language is Swift. And then you tap next. And then you need to pick a place where you're gonna save it. You tap create. And afterwards, it should be created. Here we go. So the project is ready and you can play around. And in the next lecture, I'll explain you more about the project structure. Thank you so much.